Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below. I'll greatly appreciate it. In this video, I'll teach you a quick tutorial on how to do spot trading on Binance Exchange app. Spot trading is a basic way for you to trade your token to a different crypto assets. Alright, under homepage, tap on wallet to select available tokens that you can trade. Here, you'll see the list of your crypto assets that can be traded. When selected, tap on the coin. Let me pick Polkadot. Here, you'll see the trading pairs available for that token. Pick your trading pair. Let me choose DOT/USDT pairs. Here, you'll see buy or sell option. If you want to get more Polkadot token, you pick buy. But since I want to sell it, I'll choose sell. Now, input the amount you want to sell on your crypto coin. For me, I'll sell all my Polkadot, so I'll pick 100%. This section indicates how much you get per token. On my end, I'll sell my DOT for 5.0646 per token. Once confirmed, tap on Sell DOT. Below will be the status of your trade if how much you have sold it. Usually, Binance Exchange have high liquidity, so it will only take few seconds to get sold. Alright, it's completed. My Polkadot is sold. To check your traded coin, go back to your wallet and on your list of token, it should already reflect. On my end, my USDT is already available. To check for more trading pairs on Binance Exchange, tap on Market. You can look for trading pairs by tapping on the search bar. Now, I want to use my USDT to buy eGold. Let me pick eGold/USDT pairs. This time, I want to buy, so tap on buy. Input the amount you want to purchase. I'll use all my USDT. Once confirmed, tap on buy. Go back to your wallet again and you should be able to see the purchase token. Let me check mine. Alright, it's already here. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. I'll try my best to answer it. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you on my next video.